So you've probably noticed that I've lost a bit of momentum on the channel recently. To be honest, I've lost a bit of momentum in my own health too. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. Pretty much fallen off keto, energy's been low, mood's been all over the place, but often low. And I just reached a point where I had to stop and think what I'm doing, both personally and here on the channel. Keto was great until it wasn't. It became just too restrictive, too heavy, too unrealistic for me in this stage of my life. I'm insulin resistant, I'm very perimenopausal. Well, keto can absolutely work. Didn't fit in with real life anymore because my mood's stability is all over the place depending on where I am in this roller coaster of a cycle. The pressure of trying to do it perfectly was actually just putting too much pressure on. So instead of forcing myself to follow a plan that no longer works for me, I'm shifting to something that does feel more sustainable. Straightforward, low carb approach with intermittent fasting and healthier habits that don't rely on extreme diets. Isn't a dramatic change at all. It's just a slight pivot, slight tweak, and just a bit more of a sensible one. From now on, this channel is becoming a space for men and women who want to feel better without burning out. Low carb, intermittent fasting, simple food, realistic routines, nothing fancy, nothing extreme, and definitely nothing that can at times feel like a punishment. My goal is to build something that real people can follow, including me. If you're exhausted, if you're hormonal, insulin resistant, overwhelmed, and just struggling to stay consistent, I'm right here with you. And that's a perspective that I'll continue to come from. So going forward, you'll see one honest weekly reset video, what worked, what didn't, what I'm doing to get myself back on track. One deep dive or review video breaking down low carb or health advice that's just floating around online, and keeping up with one short recipe, simple idea for those who want healthy food options, meal options, and don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. This pace is more manageable, fits my life, and it means I can actually stick with it. I'm not trying to be the perfect low carb expert. I'm showing you what it's really like to rebuild your health, particularly in midlife when you're tired, you're busy, and your hormones are absolutely just having their moment. If you're also trying to get your health back without going to extremes, you'll find something useful here. And if you've ever fallen off the wagon, you'll feel at home here too. So that's the pivot, same intention, better direction, real life, real habits, real results, just slowly, steadily, and sustainably. If that's the kind of journey that you want to follow, stick around, there's plenty.